South Africa, home of Nelson Mandela and rugby legends, is also Africa's economic powerhouse. It's a country where world-class natural beauty meets thriving business hubs, drawing global giants to its shores. This isn't just a tourist hotspot, it's a serious player on the world economic stage. South Africa has transformed itself into a beacon of opportunity, where innovation and ambition fuel a new era. Imagine a place where you can go on safari in the morning and close a major business deal by afternoon. The energy is palpable, from Johannesburg's streets to Cape Town's vineyards and Durban's ports. Investors are taking notice, drawn by the country's infrastructure, talent, and resources. Here, a simple idea can become a global enterprise, thanks to a culture of resilience and vision. So what's driving this transformation? Why are international businesses flocking here? It's more than the weather and braze. It's about economic strength, strategic location, and a government eager to do business. Let's dive into why South Africa is now Africa's economic comeback story. Let's look at the numbers. South Africa boasts the most industrialized, diversified economy in Africa. It's a powerhouse of production and innovation, leading the continent in various sectors. With a GDP among the continent's largest and a population of over 60 million, it's a market with real purchasing power. The urban centers are bustling with activity, reflecting a vibrant consumer base. The workforce is diverse and highly skilled, from tech professionals to artisans, fueled by top universities. This blend of talent ensures a dynamic and innovative business environment. This talent pool drives innovation and growth, making South Africa a magnet for global companies. The collaborative spirit here is palpable, fostering groundbreaking ideas and solutions. Johannesburg is the continent's financial capital, a bustling metropolis where major financial decisions are made. Cape Town is a tech and creative hub, known for its innovative startups and vibrant cultural scene. And Durban is a vital trade gateway, connecting South Africa to global markets through its busy ports. These cities offer world-class infrastructure, from airports to high-speed internet, ensuring seamless connectivity and efficient operations. Investors see a stable financial system, a reliable legal framework, and a top 20 global stock exchange. These factors create a secure environment for business ventures. South Africa isn't a risky bet, it's a strategic move into a mature, high-growth market. The potential for returns is significant. Companies find not just customers but partners for innovation and expansion. The collaborative ecosystem here is unmatched. It's a complete package: economic strength, vibrant demographics, and powerful urban centers. The synergy between these elements creates a thriving environment. For global businesses, South Africa is the launchpad for African dreams. It's the gateway to the continent's vast opportunities. That's why the world is watching. The eyes of investors and entrepreneurs are firmly set on South Africa, recognizing its potential and promise. South Africa's geography is a game-changer. Perched at the southern tip of Africa, it stands as a natural crossroads between continents, where land meets sea and global routes converge. With direct access to both the Atlantic and Indian Oceans, South Africa is uniquely positioned to connect east and west, north and south, making it a vital link in international shipping and trade. Its ports, especially Durban, Cape Town, and Gqeberha, are not only the busiest and most advanced in sub-Saharan Africa, but also serve as critical gateways for goods entering and leaving the continent. The port of Durban alone moves over 30 million tons of cargo annually, handling everything from minerals to manufactured goods, and connecting Africa to the world's major economies. This isn't just about location, it's about a logistics network built for global trade, with highways, railways, and airports seamlessly linking ports to the rest of Africa and beyond. South Africa is the only African member of the G20 and a key player in BRICS, opening doors to massive trade opportunities and giving it a voice in shaping global economic policies. Through the Southern African Development Community, it has preferential access to a regional market of over 300 million people, making it a springboard for companies looking to expand across Africa. Companies here aren't just serving South Africans, they're exporting worldwide from Asia to the Americas, leveraging South Africa's trade agreements and world-class infrastructure. This connectivity slashes costs and shortens supply chains, making South Africa an efficient global base for manufacturing, distribution, and innovation. Its strategic position is a powerful tool for growth, attracting investors and entrepreneurs who see the potential for expansion and success. For businesses with global ambitions, South Africa is the ultimate launchpad, a place where ideas can take off and reach new markets. It's not just a stopover, it's the gateway to the world, a hub where people, products, and possibilities come together. That's why international companies are setting up shop here, tapping into South Africa's unique advantages to build a truly global future. Where does the international money go? When you follow the flow of global investment, South Africa stands out as a magnet for capital, innovation, and opportunity. Start with mining. South Africa is a top producer of platinum, gold, and diamonds. These resources have long been the backbone of the economy, drawing investors from every corner of the globe. But it's not just about extraction. There's a growing focus on processing minerals locally, adding value and opportunity. This shift means more jobs, more skills, and more money staying within the country. The automotive industry is booming, with global brands like BMW and Ford building and exporting cars from South Africa. The country has become a manufacturing hub for the continent and beyond. These companies benefit from skilled workers, strong infrastructure, and government support. Incentives and training programs help keep the industry competitive on a global scale. The tech scene is exploding. Cape Town and Johannesburg are now Silicon Cape, buzzing with startups and global tech giants. Entrepreneurs are launching new ventures and investors are taking notice. Amazon, Google, and Microsoft are investing in data centers and digital innovation. Their presence is transforming the digital landscape and connecting South Africa to the world. The green revolution is also underway, with vast solar and wind projects attracting billions in clean energy investment. South Africa is leading the continent in renewable energy development. South Africa's renewable resources are among the best in the world, creating jobs and solving energy challenges. These projects are powering homes, businesses, and entire cities. International investors are betting big on these sectors. They see the potential for growth, innovation, and long-term returns. From mining to tech to renewables, South Africa is where the smart money flows. The country is fast becoming a global hotspot for forward-thinking investment. It's a win-win, economic growth and a sustainable future. As these industries expand, they're building a foundation for prosperity that benefits everyone. That's why the world's biggest companies are here. They're not just investing in profits, they're investing in people, progress, and the promise of tomorrow. The opportunities are only growing and the future looks brighter than ever for South Africa's economy. Potential means little if it's hard to do business. South Africa's government knows this. Special economic zones offer tax breaks, simplified regulations, and top-tier infrastructure, a VIP lounge for investors. Agencies like InvestSA act as one-stop shops, guiding investors through every step. Financial incentives sweeten the deal, from grants for car makers to support for tech and R&D. The government is committed to protecting investor rights and upholding the rule of law. It's not just a regulator, it's a partner in growth. The message is clear. South Africa is open for business. Investors get support, stability, and a real chance to thrive. Let's be real. South Africa faces challenges. Load shedding or planned power outages is a major hurdle for businesses. But this has sparked a boom in renewable energy as companies seek their own solutions. Inequality remains high, leading to social unrest and strikes, but the government is pushing for inclusive growth and job creation. The African Continental Free Trade Area is a game-changer aiming to create a single market across the continent. South Africa, with its infrastructure and location, is poised to be the manufacturing and logistics hub for over 1 billion people. The National Development Plan 2030 sets a clear vision for eliminating poverty and reducing inequality. It focuses on infrastructure, key industries, and education, giving investors predictability and purpose. Yes, there are hurdles, but the opportunities are enormous. South Africa is ready to leap forward. For investors, the potential is simply too big to ignore. The future is bright for those willing to take the jump. So, what have we learned? South Africa is more than a beautiful country. It's a modern economic powerhouse. With a skilled workforce, world-class cities, and a strategic location, it's the gateway to Africa. The government's pro-business stance and global giants' investments prove it's a smart bet. Despite challenges, South Africa is on an upward trajectory, filled with untapped potential. It bridges developed and emerging markets, offering profits and progress. The welcome mat is out, and the next chapter is waiting to be written. The only question, who will join this journey? As the world seeks its next big investment, which company will bet on the Rainbow Nation? The opportunity is here. Will you take it?